Welcome to POV Travel, the travel channel where you live the adventures. Subscribe for more first-person tours of the most interesting places around the globe. If you get inspired to visit Israel yourself, pick up my full travel guide linked in the description. It's packed with tons of useful information to take your trip to the next level. Now let's get on with the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more adventures. If this inspired you to visit Israel yourself, pick up my full travel guide linked in the description.